Change is the only permanent thing in this world. Tapos dito, I will remind you of the poem or the prayer, Serenity. Sabi niya dito, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change. The courage to change the things that I can. And the wisdom to know the difference. Kita niyo yan? Serenity, yung tanggapin natin na may mga bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin. Pero sabi niya rin, sana magkaroon ako ng courage, katapangan, para baguhin ko yung mga bagay na kaya ko. And the wisdom to know the difference. Okay? Ibig sabihin kayo, bilang senior PNCO, meron kayong capability to change. Ang tanong, do you have the courage to do that? So yung mga maling tradisyon na ito, ipagpapatuloy nyo ba? Kasi nga, hindi tatatakot kayo, hindi, nakagawian na yan eh. Nakasanayan na yan eh. Status ko, doon lang tayo sa dati na, ba't mo mapapahirapan? Snappy lousy, same salary. So, I hope you will be reminded of that, no? The serenity to accept the things that I cannot change. The courage to change the things that I can. And the wisdom to know the difference.